Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll delve deep into Meta. We previously shared a report on our website on Tuesday, January 23, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.73. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis and bought Meta when we first recommended it 31 days ago, you would have experienced a significant gain of 17.95%. This means that, on average, you would have earned a daily return of 0.58% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected that the stock will react and move towards the lower part of this trend. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $386.63, it will indicate an even stronger rate of growth. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 21.66% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 11.31% to 22.12%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is an expected change of 86.55% over the next year. This corresponds to a potential return ranging from 61.96% to 103.77%. If this trend continues, the stock price could reach between $623.87 and $784.91 after a year. Our latest update on Meta brings you the headline: Meta stock price up 0.9% on Tuesday. The Meta stock price increased by 0.9% during the last trading day, which was Tuesday, January 23, 2024. It went up from $381.78 to $385.20. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.65%, reaching a low of $382.08 and a high of $388.38. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 7.4% increase over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 2 million, with a total of 15 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $5.94 billion. It's important to note that falling volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. In the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $390.35 and a lowest price of $140.31. Currently, the price is 1.32% or $5.15 below the 52-week high of $390.35, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, I want to talk about Analyst Ratings for Meta, a company that has been making waves in the market. Let's dive into some recent reports and see what the experts are saying. On Tuesday, January 23, 2024, Citigroup gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. This indicates a positive outlook for the company's future. Moving on to Wednesday, January 17, 2024, Wells Fargo gave Meta a market perform grade with a hold action. This suggests a more neutral stance from Wells Fargo. Now let's go back to Monday, January 8, 2024. Raymond James gave Meta a strong buy grade with a hold action. This is a strong endorsement of the company's potential. On the same day, January 8, 2024, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Another positive rating, indicating confidence in the company's performance. Lastly, on Monday, November 20, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action. This suggests a balanced view from Wells Fargo. Analysts have given Meta stock a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and price to book of Meta stock are also rated as strong buy. Additionally, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Meta stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals also supports a buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. If the stock experiences any downward corrections, it is expected to find support at $376.70 and $350.34. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals may emerge. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 21.34% increase so far. Further rise is anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's important to note that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day, which creates a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning, so it's advisable to closely monitor the stock. Today, I want to share with you some other signals that you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which indicated a buy signal 32 days ago. Bollinger Bands also gave a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 13 days ago, while the long-term moving average confirmed a buy signal 32 days ago. Additionally, there is a buy signal in the relation between the short and long moving averages, which occurred 53 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average provided a buy signal 31 days ago, and the long-term moving average confirmed a buy signal 59 days ago. If you're interested in exploring more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Support levels are crucial for a stock's stability. Currently, Meta has support just below today's level at $334.92 and $299.53. When a stock tests a support level, there is a risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $334.92 is broken, the next support levels are at $299.53 and $296.73. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with Meta. With average movements during the day in good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of $6.31, which accounts for a 1.65% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.02%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Meta, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is common for businesses with established track records and stable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Meta is expected on February 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $4.75. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Meta. When looking at the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could move upward swiftly. It's important to pay attention to the volume and use it as a determining factor for when to exit your position. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $334.92. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, as they anticipate a rebound in the stock price. The consensus from multiple analyst sources is that Meta is rated as a strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. One notable insider, Zuckerberg Mark, recently bought and sold a total of 18,226 shares or options in the company. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -41.454. Overall, insiders have purchased 67,104 shares and sold 163,350 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $374.03, which represents a decrease of 2.9%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, resulting in a moderate level of risk. Furthermore, the RSI 14 is currently at 80, indicating a substantial increase in risk. We also have a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 31 days ago. Is investing in Meta stock a good idea? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it seems that there is a buying opportunity for Meta stock in the near future. Our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. When the market opens on Wednesday, January 24th, we anticipate Meta stock to rise by $0.0183 and begin trading at $385.22. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We highly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your input, so let us know in the comments below if you agree or disagree. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with all our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you for being a part of Stock Invest.